How to stack coupons on Shein. So all you have to do is simply go to the main section of Shein, and then you're gonna have to simply go to coupons. So as you can see, I have three different coupons. So I have this one here, which is 30% off, 25, and then I have this one here, which applies, as you can see, over orders over 100 euros. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on apply, and then you're gonna get redirected to the checkout page of your card, and then you're gonna be able to use those coupons. Now, if I'm not wrong, you can use only one per order, so you can either try to order multiple times, so you're gonna have to order the different products in different orders, or you can basically use only one coupon. So as you can see, I have three, so I can make an order using this one, and then I can make another one using this one. So basically that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.